Yes, Vishesh Roy, you can ask your question.
Hi Surya. I just wanted to ask, there are many players in this squad who are looking to grab a place in the T20 World Cup squad. So how good is it to have a calming influence like Rahul Dravid so that you all do not take undue pressure?
Yeah, as I said, it's a great opportunity for everyone having a tour amidst this situation. It's a great challenge and responsibility for each and everyone to come out here and express themselves. And great thing is having Rahul sir around. Been heard a lot about him. I think this is my first tour with him, but I've heard a lot from many players that he's very calm and composed when it comes to this role. So I'm really excited and looking forward to it.
Nikhil Bapat, you can go ahead with your question. Nikhil, can you hear us? You can go ahead with your question.
Nikhil bhai, पूछोगे?
Nikhil, Surya, can you hear me?
Yes, very clearly.
Yeah, I just want to ask you, Surya, after such a fine performance in your debut series against England, do you think that there is less pressure on you when you will perform in Sri Lanka and your place in the side is more or less kind of fixed? Does it give you less pressure?
Nikhil bhai, I think that was a completely different challenge, and every time you come, like it's for a batter, every time you go in or play a different game, you start from scratch. So this also I have to start from zero, and that was a different series. This is a different series, but challenge remains the same. I have to go out in the park and perform the same way what I did. So pressure will be there because if there's no pressure, there's no fun. So as I said, it will be a great challenge, and I'm really looking forward to it.
Vishesh sir, you can go ahead.
Yeah, Surya, Vishwanath, can you hear me? Surya?
Yes.
Yeah, how much has you have been part of the IPL for many seasons, but the last 2-3 years you have been playing for Mumbai Indians, especially in the T20 format. So how much have you grown as a cricketer playing for Mumbai Indians, and how much confidence have you gained, in T20, especially T20?
Sir, I think it has been a great experience and great learning process since I have been in this setup from a long time, and every year I have learned something different from all my teammates, and that tournament I think is a great learning in every year, and till now it's the same. Every year I go in that tournament, when I go home I learn something new, and it really helps me wherever I am playing, what tournaments and for which team I am playing. So I think if you sum up, it says it's a great learning process, and it has obviously helped me gain a lot of experience.
Okay, Shinjoy, you can go ahead with your question.
Yes, Surya bhai. So you're quite close to Hardik Pandya. He didn't bowl as regularly as we expected him to bowl in the England series. He didn't bowl in the IPL also. So could you please give us some insights into how far he is from bowling regularly in matches?
Sir, he did bowl in the England series. I think I was a part of it. In all T20 games he bowled. Even in one days he bowled. In decider fifth ODI also he bowled when team was in crunch situation. So I think it was good. But yeah, during IPL he didn't bowl. That team management and Hardik, they know their responsibilities really well. So they were taking a call. But here in intra-squad game, he did bowl in the nets. He is bowling. So it's his and the team management's call how they want to go about it. But yes, he is bowling, and it's a very good sign.
Thank you.
Subodh Mayure, you can go ahead with your question.
Hi Surya. As you spoke about Rahul Dravid's cool and composed manner and his huge experience, and you are practicing with him for I think last 1 month. So are there any special tips or mantra that you learned from him?
Sir, we have got to practice just now. Before that, we were in quarantine, and but yes, with few practice sessions and the intra-squad game which happened, and few team meetings also, the atmosphere of the team is very calm and composed and very relaxed. At the same time, we are very excited to go about in this tournament.
Just a reminder, everyone, please mute yourselves once you have finished asking the question. Yeah, thank you. Gaurav Gupta, you can go ahead with your question. Gaurav, you can go ahead with your question.
Can you hear me, Surya?
Ekdam first class.
Gaurav, we can hear you. Can go ahead with your question.
जीजू भाई का नेटवर्क खराब है
Alright, we'll come back to Gaurav. Vivek, Krishnan, you can go ahead with your question.
Hi, Surya. Yeah. Surya, you seem to bring something different to the Indian batting unit with your aggressive approach and ability to keep finding boundaries. Has the team management given you that free license going ahead? And for a new player, how difficult is it to balance that with consistency when there is so much competition for places?
I think, sir, I've been doing the same thing what I did for my franchise back in IPL. As you saw when I made my debut, it was the same thing happened. I didn't do anything different. It was all same what I had been doing. So I have been enjoying that role really well in whatever position they tell me to bat. I'll be the same. I'll just go out there and express the same way how I do in every game, and I really enjoy doing it.
Okay, we'll take last few questions. Sanjeev Samyal, you can go ahead with your question, and then Shayan Acharya. Sanjeev, go ahead.
Yeah. Hi, Surya.
Hello.
Yeah, so Surya, basically, like one of the challenges in Sri Lanka can be like slow wickets, humidity. So you have played in various conditions in India during the IPL. So how do you plan your innings for these kind of challenges, like slow wickets, humid conditions? What are the shots you go for in those conditions?
I think from conditions point of view, we do have played in these conditions. Like for example, we play in Mumbai, we play in Chennai, we play in different conditions where the heat is heavy, humidity is high, and most importantly, we have come here 15-20 days before the tournament to get acclimatize in these conditions. So I think it's good. And we are really doing fine. We played a game also yesterday, and slow and steady, I think it will be fine. And talking about how do we go about on these wickets, I mean yesterday the wicket was really good. I hope it stays the same way. But yeah, if there are slow wickets, you need to take time and apply and go about in your innings. As I said in the beginning, it will be a good challenge, and I'm really looking forward to it.
Shayan Acharya, you can go ahead with your question.
Hi Surya. The question is obviously, how do you see the fact that for the first time there'll be two teams playing like simultaneously, almost two squads? Going forward, how do you see that? And also you spoke about the wickets. Does it give the team an advantage of playing all the matches at a one venue? Is that an advantage for the team because there is no traveling and the conditions inside out by then?
Two teams playing together, I think that's first time happening here. I'm really excited about it when I got to know. And talking about the conditions, playing on only one ground, I think it will be the same for both the teams. When you get to know after the first game how the conditions are like, so you can plan accordingly with the ground dimensions, pitch conditions, and what happens in the afternoon, as they are day-night games, as I've heard of it. So I think it will be the same for both the teams, and it will be fun. Can't wait.
Final two questions. Varun Shetty, you can go ahead with your question.
Hi Surya. Yeah, just taking on from that thread from two teams. There's been some chatter about this being a second string team or a B team or things like that. Has the team discussed that at all, or are you using that sort of, I guess, criticism in some sense in your team talks or in your planning at all, or how does the team feel about that?
Not really. I think everyone is completely focused. The way the practice sessions are going, the way the game went yesterday, it's going completely fine, and we are really excited and ready for the challenge. We're not thinking about that. We're just here to have some fun, enjoy this series completely, and take a lot of positives from here.
Final question from Vedant. Vedant, you can go ahead with the question.
Hi, Surya. Surya, we see a lot of IPL players getting a chance in this series. That's a really good sign that people who are performing are getting a chance to play for the national side. Now, we saw a news coming yesterday as well that there will be only 4 players which will be retained by the respective IPL franchise. Do you think that will be in the mind of all the players who will be playing, that they need to express themselves a little more to be that player who is retained by their respective franchises?
Not really. I feel this news came yesterday. We are still trying to find out if it's true or no. But yeah, when you play for India, the emotion is completely different. I think when you play for India, you don't think about anything else. You are representing your country. The feeling is completely different. So at that time, you can't think about what's happening back home. So everyone is really focused and raring to go.
මෙවැනි නවතම ක්‍රීඩා තොරතුරු දැන ගැනීමට අපගේ SL Sport YouTube channel දැන්ම subscribe කරන්න.